Hi, friends. Welcome back. I'm happy you're here. Today we talk about a big problem for English learners. Forgetting words. You learn a new word today. Tomorrow it disappears. You read it. You repeat it. A week later, gone. It feels unfair. It feels scary. But you are not alone. Every learner faces this. The good news? Memory is a skill, and skills can be trained. Here is why many people struggle. They cram long lists, 50 words in one night, no sentences, no speaking, just lists. The brain deletes what you don't use. Some copy words into a notebook and never open it again. Some memorize meanings in their language and never connect to real life. Some learn too many, too fast, with no review. Result: forgetting. So what should you do instead? Use the word immediately. Say it out loud. Put it in a simple sentence. Connect it to your life, your day, your feelings. Learn fewer words, but learn them deeper. 3 to 5 a day is enough. Learn the family. Happy, happiness, unhappiness, happily. Touch the word in many ways. See it, hear it, say it, write it. Review it on a simple loop. Today, tomorrow, and once again this week. Example. You learn delicious. Say, this soup is delicious. Take a photo of your lunch and write, delicious lunch. Hear it in a video. Before bed, whisper it once more. Next day, use it again. Now, the word sticks. In this lesson, I'll show you the exact steps. Use now sentences, life connections, word families, small daily sets, multi-sense practice, and quick review at night. Step by step. Simple, clear, powerful. Let's make your words stay. Step 1. Use it immediately. The biggest mistake learners make is collecting words but never using them. They write them in a notebook, underline them in books, but never say them. And what you don't use, you lose. The secret is simple. Use the word right away. The moment you learn a new word, speak it in a sentence. Out loud. Don't wait. For example, if you learn the word delicious, say, this cake is delicious. If you learn tired, say, I am tired after work. My student Neha followed this rule. She promised herself, every new word, one new sentence. After 2 months, she didn't just know the words. She spoke them naturally. So let me ask you politely. Will you make the same promise? Step 2. Connect the word to your life. Another mistake learners make is keeping words in the book, not in their world. If a word feels distant, the brain forgets it. But if you link it to your life, it stays. Learn the word umbrella? Say, I use an umbrella when it rains. Learn hungry? Say, I feel hungry before lunch. Learn meeting? Say, I have a meeting at work tomorrow. My student Arjun once learned the word anxious. Instead of just writing it down, he said, I feel anxious before an exam. That personal link made the word unforgettable. Can you also connect words to your own daily life? Step 3. Repeat in different ways. Some learners repeat words the same way again and again. They read them. They write them. But soon, the brain gets bored, and the word disappears. The trick is variety. Use the word in many ways. Say it aloud. Write it in a sentence. Ask a question with it. Answer the question too. For example, with the word excited, say, I am excited. Write, I am excited for the weekend. Ask, are you excited about the trip? Answer, yes, I am excited. My student Maria used this method. She played with words in different forms. After 3 weeks, she told me, the words are not running away anymore. Step 4. Review little, but often many learners wait too long to review. They learn a word today, then try to review it after 2 weeks. By that time, the word is already gone. The secret is little and often. Short reviews, quick reviews, but frequent reviews. For example, if you learn the word confident, on day 1, say 1 sentence. On day 2, use it in a new sentence. On day 3, ask a question with it. On day 7, tell a short story. My student Rayhan used this style. He called it tiny reviews, just 2 minutes a day. After 2 months, he remembered 200 new words. Can you try the same? Just 2 minutes daily? Step 5. Learn fewer words. Remember more. Many learners try to learn 20 words a day. They feel proud. But after 1 week, most of the words are forgotten. The truth is, less is more. Learn 3 to 5 words a day. That's enough. Focus on them deeply. Use them. Repeat them. Connect them to your life. For example, today learn happy, busy, and polite. Say, I am happy today. Say, my friend is busy right now. Say, the shopkeeper was polite to me. My student Layla once wanted to learn 50 words in 1 day. I told her gently, better to remember 5 words forever than 50 words for 1 day. She listened, and her vocabulary grew stronger. What about you? Will you choose quality over quantity? Step 6. Make it fun. If learning feels heavy, you will stop. If it feels fun, you will continue. Fun is the secret fuel of daily practice, so don't limit yourself to boring textbooks. Play with words. Watch your favorite shows with subtitles. Sing English songs. Read about your hobbies in English. Write funny sentences. My student Farah loved jokes. She searched for English jokes and learned new funny words. Because she laughed, she never forgot them. Think about your own hobbies. Music, sports, food, travel. If you connect vocabulary to things you enjoy, the words will stay with you.